I remember the day I realized something was wrong. I was standing in my kitchen, and I couldn't remember why I was there. My heart was racing, my skin felt like it was crawling, and I felt invisible. If you felt this way, you aren't crazy. You're in perimenopause. But here is the secret. You cannot manage what you do not track. Today, I'm showing you the exact step-by-step journaling system I use to reclaim my health and my sanity. Step 1 is the Symptom Map. We've all been to the doctor and forgotten half our symptoms because of brain fog. Stop guessing. Every morning, rate these 3 things on a scale of 1 to 10: energy, sleep quality, and mood. Then, log the physical red flags. Things like itchy ears, hot flashes, or joint pain. In just 14 days, you will start to see patterns you never noticed before. Step 2 is tracking triggers. Did that extra cup of coffee cause a 2 p.m. anxiety spike? Did that glass of wine trigger a night sweat at 3 a.m.? In perimenopause, our bodies are hypersensitive to cortisol. Use your journal to connect your lifestyle to your flare-ups. This isn't a diet log, it's a nervous system log. The most powerful part of my journey was the nightly brain dump. Perimenopause anxiety is real. Before bed, write down everything that is making you meno-rage or worry. Get it out of your head and onto the paper. I use 3 specific prompts. What felt hard today? What did my body need? One win, no matter how small. This tells your brain it's okay to switch off and sleep. After 30 days, take your journal to your doctor. Instead of saying, "I feel tired," you can say, "I have had 14 days of poor sleep and 6 night flashes." This is how you get the treatment you deserve. This journal became my best friend when my body felt like an enemy. If you're ready to start your own map, I've created the Perimenopause and Menopause Planner specifically for this process. It has all the trackers and prompts we talked about today. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our 30-day challenge. You don't have to do this alone. I'll see you in the next video.